YouTube, it's me again, and I'm with this weirdo.
Yay!
And he can't control this helicopter. It's
What am I doing?
What is it? What are you doing?
Oh, that one.
Right. Brilliant.
That's how you control it.
Stop it.
That's how you control it.
He spawned the wrong team. You will see it's the best team for the cheesies. And
You didn't get a good shot of it, did you? There we go.
like a boss. Right, you're gonna fly it. Fly away, my beauty. No, you're wrecking it. Oh my gosh! Sorry if you didn't see anything. This guy doesn't have his license yet. Probably never will with flying like that. Alright, I'll control it. Okay.
No. I just want to know, what do these things do? Okay, how do you control it?
It'll learn it itself. It's gonna be funny. Oh, no, okay. Wait, what?
I pressed that and it just...
Zooming in. I'll hold it.
Don't run out of time.
Ah! He swarmed me. Why you attack me? You're not nice. That's not a good idea. I'll hold it. Hold it.
Just tell me how you make it go somewhere. Do you want it to get destroyed?
Wow! Oh my gosh! You're a grass cutter now.
This is hilarious.
Right, this is gonna be weird.
Just tell me already.
No. Whoa. I can't. Okay, the viewers can't see it. Why? Where'd it go?
I don't know.
I saw it fall behind here.
There it is.
Oh my gosh, there it is!
You have to tell me.
Oh, bam.
Go get it.
This is not...
Please tell me. Come on. You have to tell me.
Dude, this is 50 quid!
Have these got something to do with it? These things here?
No.
What's that? What's this do?
That's how you control moving like that. If you push it forward, then it moves forward. If you push it back... So like, move that forward, it moves forward.
And if I move it like that, okay, it makes sense now.
Alright, fly, my beauty. The wind's going this way. So
Right
hold...
under the washing line.
Go. Go closer. Whoa! Mama.
What?
Stop breaking it!
Why doesn't it work?
I think you're getting out of range. You gotta run towards it.
Oh, I get it now.
It's gonna be a really weird video. Right, I'm gonna hold it up.
Okay, I want it. Go.
Helicopter troubles. Brilliant. Go! Go!
Work.
Down, up. You gotta go down.
Oh.
What are you doing?
No.
Oh my gosh, you are so lucky it didn't fall over. It was like that close away and it hit down there.
I don't want it to go over that way, but for some reason it does.
It's because of the wind. Your wind. You gassed. You ate beans at lunch.
How do I make it go that way?
Forward.
Oh.
You're gonna be kidding me. Oh, down. No. Down. Ah! What are you doing? Ah! It spasmed in the air.
It spazzed up. Okay, this... At least half of this video is going to be over here, just looking at that.
Right. Have you given up yet?
No, I never give up. Okay,
Well, Arsenal gave up.
Hey, shut up. What's B do?
Doesn't do anything. It stops it. Whoa!
Go forward.
You're working well! Where's it gone? Oh,
I landed it!
No, you didn't. It flopped.
This is so funny. Okay.
so close. Whoa, 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 whoa. No! 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 No!
Let's see if I can make it fly up.
It's too out of range. Climbing. Like an ultra boss. Oh, nuts.
Move, 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 move.
Wait.
Move. Where did that go?
It's sleeping with your mum.
That's funny.
What is it? Damn! Oh, that really hurts.
Cannon man down.
Alright, see you later, people. Really hurt.